Hi guys, welcome back to the Home and Homestead. I'm Rebecca, and today you'll be joining me in my kitchen where we make an easy, no-bake strawberry cheesecake in a dish. It's nice to have a combination of sweet and savory things for brunch and get-togethers, and the strawberry cheesecake salad would be a wonderful addition. So follow along while we make the strawberry cheesecake salad. So today for preparing our strawberry cheesecake salad, we're going to be using the KitchenAid stand mixer. So in here I have my Flex Edge paddle attachment. It has this little silicone edge to it, and that just helps scrape the sides down while it mixes. So to the stand mixer, we're going to add 1 8-ounce package of cream cheese. This has been softened to room temperature. So what I like to do is just mix this a little bit until it gets nice and soft and whipped a little bit. Now we'll add the next few ingredients. So I'll add 2 tablespoons of honey, or you can add agave nectar. And then we'll add 1 teaspoon of vanilla. I will mix this together until it's well combined. There we go. Next we'll add a 1/4 cup of heavy cream, and I'll just slowly pour this in while the KitchenAid mixer is mixing. There we go. Now the heavy whipping cream is nice and incorporated into this. So now we'll move on to the next step. So now that the cheesecake base is created, now we need to add our strawberries. So I'm going to do about 2 cups of a sliced strawberry. What you want to do is remove the stem and the central hull. Just use a paring knife to do that. And any part of the strawberry that might be a little bruised or soft. Now what we're going to do is mix our 2 cups of the sliced strawberries in with our cheesecake mix. We'll just fold those strawberries in. This is a really versatile salad that you can make. You can use whatever fresh fruit that you have on hand or combination thereof. You could use strawberries and banana, you could do raspberries, blueberries, whatever you'd like. So now I'm just going to put this into a bowl and give you a little closer look of the finished product. Alright guys, here you have it. Here's our strawberry cheesecake salad. You can garnish it with whatever fruit you made the salad with. You could also, right before serving, put a few crumbles of a graham cracker. That'd be a really tasty garnish as well. So this would be a wonderful sweet side dish for a luncheon or brunch, and it was really easy to make. So you can play around with the flavors of the different fruits you can add, do whatever fruit that's in season. If you're making this for a special occasion or for a brunch or perhaps for Mother's Day, whatever your mother's favorite fruit is, that would be a nice option as well. Well, I hope you enjoyed our time together in the kitchen where we made this quick and easy strawberry cheesecake salad. Keep watching for other ideas for things you can make for brunch. It's a really fun way to get together with friends and family and share a late breakfast or early lunch by having a brunch together. Well, if you're new to the channel, welcome. And if not, thanks for hanging out with me again in the kitchen. I hope you enjoyed this recipe today and have a chance to try it out yourself. If you haven't done so yet, I would appreciate you subscribing. If you enjoyed this video in particular, please give it a thumbs up. See you next time. Take care.